Hello everyone and happy holidays. Today I'm going to be just doing a little voiceover and showing you guys this box. I apologize. I've had a rough few days and I need to get this video up, and I really wanted to show you what I got in my Sipsby December box. So here it is. If you don't know what Sipsby is, it is a subscription box that has very yummy teas. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, definitely go check them out. So the first one I wanted to show you guys is the Soulmate Organic Herba Matte Mocha Blend, which is so interesting to me. It looks delish. Next up, I always get these cute little reusable bags, which are so helpful. Absolutely love them. And then I got 4 of these right here. This is the Revolution Dragon Eye Oolong tea. So bad at pronouncing that, guys, like so bad. This one looked very intriguing to me because I read the back and it shows that it has peach and apricot flavors. So that really caught my eye. I think this would be really good iced as well, because you guys know me. I kind of prefer iced tea instead of hot tea. But again, got 4 packets of this as well, which is so great. And this is the Organic India Tulsi Hibiscus Stress Relieving Tea. And guys, I have been seeming stressed. I've been feeling depressed a bit lately and stuff. So I think it's just awesome that this came in the box this month. And again, these right here, I'm only showing 2 because I did use 2 already. Matt and I had some, and I'll show that in a later clip. But this is a Sweet Clementine Stress Support Tea, which is great. I've used this brand before and I love it. But look at all these amazing teas, guys. I just I don't know, I love it. I love getting this every month, and I love trying new flavors. So I just love it. Okay. So we're trying, don't mind my lipstick because it's already really worn off. Like I said, I'm going to try out the Sweet Clementine Stress Support. Matt's like, it supports stress? I'm like, you're a freaking dork. So I made him a cup, and I made me a cute little cup. So Matthew, here you go. It's really hot.
Just like you. Smells good.
I definitely need sugar in mine.
I don't need sugar.
I need sugar. It's good. I think it's really good. I added two bags in one. It says to add 2 bags if you want it a little bit stronger.
You know, it kind of smells like honey.
You adding a little honey would be good too. $1, $2.
I think it's really good on its own.
Nice. Well, I'm going to add the sugar to it.
My stress feels well supported.
You're such a dork. I always want to try out these teas. Some of these teas for you guys, just so you can.
Yeah.
It's good.
Good.
It's better with some. It's definitely better with sugar.
Is it?
Yeah. Matt's gonna be a dork and use mine. You guys put your finger up. I'm so weird because I've never been one to extremely
It's very good with sweet tea.
watered down stuff, you know. That's why with the fruity ones, I add lemonade, because lemonade is kind of like a thicker, if you know what I mean. Just trying to get into hot teas, but anyway. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really do want you guys to know that I love trying new things. So when Sipsby reached out to me, and I kind of was like, I really don't drink teas. And I didn't say yes for them to send me a box for free just because it was free. I love trying new things. And guys, I can tell you right now, tea is such an amazing way to help de-stress. It's nice to just get a nice cup of hot tea or even an iced tea and sit there and relax and drink it. there's just something about tea that I love, that there's just so many different flavors that you can try. You can make it hot or cold, like I said. And I really try in my videos to actually try out the tea for y'all, because I find it to be really important to kind of show you guys, you know, what I like and what I don't like and things like that. And ever have any recommendations on how you like your tea, please let me know down below, because I love trying out new things, like I just said. Matt loves tea too, so it's awesome to get him to try some of this with me. He's been drinking tea a lot longer than I have. So yeah, I'm excited to keep partnering with Sipsby and finding my favorites, and maybe every few months I can show you guys what my actual favorites are. If you're interested, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Toodaloo.